Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you can't log in or sign in on your PlayStation because it says the sign-in has failed. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you are having any kind of like login issue or sign-in issue, what you could do is go up to the top, go to settings, and then go on down to users and accounts, and then scroll on down to other. And sign out if you aren't already signed out. And then what you want to do is sign back in. So here we have an option to sign back in. So let's go to sign in and select that. Then in the bottom right, it says forget password. Let's press the triangle button. And this is going to send a password reset email to the email listed above. And then sign in with that new password right here and see if that helps. Now, another way that we can go ahead and try to change this is by going to the PlayStation website and then logging in. So let's go over to my computer right now. I'll show you how to do this. So I'm on PlayStation.com. Right up top, just sign in. Then in the upper right, go to the sign in option under here and sign in with your password and your email address. Then when you can log in, go to your user icon in the top right. Then go to account settings. Then under here, you'll want to go to the privacy settings. So on the left side, let's go to privacy settings and select this. Then you want to set all the privacy settings to no one. So under gaming/media, let's go to activities and just go to no one. And do this for every category under this list. So let's keep going through this list and just set everything to no one. Then you'll want to go to friends/connections and do the same thing under this list too. And it may take a little bit of time, but just simply switching everything over to no one could help fix your issue. And you can switch this back over once you log in on your PlayStation 5. So now if I go back over to my PlayStation 5, I can go down to network right here and I can test my internet connection and just see if I can sign in now. So I'm going to have to actually sign into PlayStation Network. So let's go ahead and do that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.